hard to get people to your landing page, so when they get there, you want to know that you've done everything you can to convert them into a customer, right? Well, in today's video, I share with you my 5 top tips for getting the job done. So stick around. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick overview of landing page design tips. I'm going to be using a sales page for an online course to illustrate the 5 recommended sections. So let's dive in. So this section is called transformation because your mission is to convince your potential buyer that your course is going to be the solution to their problem. You're identifying their pain point and your course is the solution, so you're transforming them. You can include a promo video to help explain exactly what they will be learning, and make sure to include the Enroll Now button so that if they've come to your sales page and they're ready to buy, then you've got that ready to go for them. This section down here is explaining the details of the solution to their problem. So this next section I'm calling credibility, and this is where you're either going to put testimony from people who have taken the course. You could consider putting your bio or even professional recommendations. So within the FAQ, or frequently asked questions area, you're going to have an opportunity to combat any objections. People are reading your frequently asked questions because they're looking for reassurance. So next we have your pricing table, and this is where you'll see usually about 2 to 4 columns. The column on the left is for the one-time fee option where they purchase in full, and the other columns are listing out the various payment plans that you'd like to offer. Alright, so last but not least is your lead magnet. And this is where you have the opportunity to get their email address in exchange for a free gift. And this can either be a portion of your course as a preview, or you could develop a mini course that's related to your main course, or just offer a PDF download to help someone out with a problem they're having. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. And if you're interested in WordPress at all and you would love to set up a free WordPress site using a free theme and learn a little bit about the new WordPress block editor, Gutenberg, then be sure to click the bell so you're notified when my video is released. Thanks, and bye for now.